How to change Snapchat font style. In this video, I'll show you step by step the possible method to change font style on Snapchat. Now go to Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this, now go to your profile. After you open your profile like this, now go to this settings. After you open settings like this, now scroll all the way to down and search for font. Let's see if it is possible to change the font size on of your Snapchat. Scroll to down, scroll to down. Let's go and search for a font. So in all this option, there is no option which says font or change font. So let's go to app appearance and see. So go to this app appearance, this one. So after you open the app appearance, as you can see now, it only gives you an option to change whether it is dark mode or light mode. So that's the only way you can just, you cannot change the font size of your Snapchat app. It's not possible for now, but in future, we hope Snapchat will add that feature to change font style in your Snapchat. That's it guys on how to change font style or how to change Snapchat font style. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.